to transportation problems. What do you mean by transportation problems? For example, if a company is producing goods and they want to transport their goods to some warehouses or some destinations, then they have more number of ways to reach. Here I just suggest three ways. Suppose there are three ways are possible to carrying the goods from the origins to the destinations. Supposing in all the three possible ways, then these are all the combinations. Which way will the company choose? There is a question mark. So now the company may select way 1 because it reduces the time taken to reach the destination as well as the cost. So their main objective is to minimize the cost. So the transportation cost should be minimum. Now, since this transportation problem is a one of the special case of linear programming problem, here I just taken three destinations and three origins. So from each origin, the goods should be transported to each of these destinations. So it may be increased as in general we can have there are m origins and n destinations. So R may be taken as I origins and j destinations. So if this is possible, then we can modify this one as a linear programming problem. For that, what is the first thing? We need three things to form a linear programming problem. The first one is objective. What do you mean by the objective? So what is our objective? Our objective is minimizing the total cost. Therefore, it should be minimize. So the total cost, it may be Z equal to till the goods is supplied from the origin to the destinations. So now the second one is the constraints. So subject to the constraints, we have total supply from the origin to the destination should be equal to total quantity produced in the origin. Similarly, total quantity transported from the origin to destinations should be equal to total quantity required at the destinations. What is the third part of linear programming problem? Exactly, non-negativity constraints. So what do you mean by non-negativity? Here, the quantities are transported from one place to other. Therefore, we have xij is greater than or equal to 0. That is, a quantity transported from I origins to j